Oh, really? Hi, Mr. Messy Boy. Let's do a close-up of your messy face. Messy faces. Well, yeah, that's my camera, not yours. Messy faces. Now this was a full thing. Oh, no touching. This was a full thing of smells like sweet potatoes with lots of baby oatmeal mixed in. His spoon has gone MIA. And now he's munching on leftover fries. Yum. God, you look gross. Look, there's the messy chest, and there's the messy hands, and Ansel. This is Ansel self-feeding. Not as bad as the sisters was, but still, epic fail.